Hi, I'm Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Now, last time I solved a question using back solving and asked you guys to solve this question right here, which is basically the same as the last question. If you weren't able to solve it, don't worry. I'll show you how to do it right now. And even if you were, I think you should watch the video because repetition ensures that you won't forget how to back solve on test day. Now, as I said, this question is exactly the same as the last one. They've given us a pair of equations and we need to find the solution. Now, I've already written down the equations. I mean, the y is a little bit scuffed, but let me just fix that. Y. Now, we're going to do the same thing as we did last time. We're going to pick points and substitute values and see which ones work. Let's pick point C. C looks promising. C is 2, 2. Or 2, negative 2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 2, negative 2. Let's try for the first equation. 2 times 2 minus 2 times negative 2. This is 4. Oh no, looks like I messed up. There's no 2. It's just minus y. So it would be minus negative 2. Now 2 minuses make a plus, so this would be 2, which is equal to 6, which is the answer. But we also have to check it for the second equation. So let's do that. X plus 2y is equal to negative 2. 2 plus 2 times negative 2 is 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. Looks like we got lucky because this is the right answer. First attempt. So you want to mark C as your answer. Now last time I solved the question and asked you to solve another question which is exactly the same, but this time I'm going to give you a question that's a little bit different, but it still uses the same method. See if you can solve this question right here. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video.